Heddiw, mae mwy a mwy o fenywod sydd am ddechrau teulu yn ysgoi dulliau arferol ac yn troi at y cyfryngau cymdeithasol i chwilio am sperm. Mae yna haid di-ddiwedd o ddynion sy'n ysu i'w helpu, a dwi eisiau ffeindio mas pam. Dwi ar y ffordd i gwrdd â rhoddwyr sperm sydd bellach yn dad i 180 o blant.
Dyma fo. Hello, Joe.
Hey there.
Hi, lovely to meet you, Jess. Thank you so much for meeting me.
Yeah, thank you.
Super interesting. I hear you've had a busy weekend.
I have. I was very happy to meet one of my kids in Anglesey.
So here in Wales?
Yeah.
So do you feel like a father figure to them?
I do, yeah. Kind of like a grandfather almost.
So you've got 180 children?
Yeah, 180.
Wow. That's pretty wild, isn't it?
Yeah, I have the most in the United States, and then South America and Australia, here and there all over the world.
So is it traveling, meeting people, having sex?
Well, hopefully.
Creating babies?
It doesn't always work out that way, though. I guess if you're going to travel a long distance, you'd hope for some hospitality, but I can tell you today, if you're out there for easy sex, this is not the way to do it. You should just have a relationship and you could have sex, 30 days a month. When we're doing it, a lot of people choose artificial insemination, so there'd be no physical contact. For that, I usually ship it to them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I have a shipping kit with me.
All right.
It's basically your flat pack baby. Here we go. Get some Joe juice. That's not semen, this is an extender.
I was like, that kind of looks...
Well, so what we do is we mix this with the semen to protect it during the shipping. It's just skim milk.
Wow, okay.
And this is basically just an insulated box. And usually I use frozen passata so that the sperm survive longer.
And this has been successful, you're saying? You've had children from Joe's Juice shipping method?
I have dozens from Joe's Juice, the little flat pack babies.
Yeah. And are you charging women for this?
Yeah, so the correct way to say it would be that I would expect them to reimburse me for the expenses. You're lucky if you can break even. If you want to be rich, this is definitely not the way to do it.
So if it's not a money-making business, why do you do it?
Making money is not the most important thing in the world. You can't take it with you.
What's important for you?
Oh, I enjoy having more children. I'm happy that a lot of other people are made happy by this.
Dwi yn meddwl mae fe bach yn weird be mae fe'n neud, ond mae rhaid i fi dweud, fe'n boi eitha neis, friendly. Oh look, I love daddy on their little hat.
Yeah.
Ond 180 o blant. Ydy kind of egotistical, achos mae fe jyst eisiau cael cannoedd o blant i dweud mae fe wedi gadael fel rhyw fath o legacy yn y byd ma.
There's some concern about large numbers of offspring, like Star Wars. Princess Leia and Luke Skywalker, they're brother and sister, and they didn't know. But I'm happy to tell people the numbers, and then that person can decide to use me or not.
Do you think that risk of having to pay child support kind of disappears the more children you have? Is that one of your motivations?
Well, yeah. The slice of the pie gets thinner and thinner as time wears on. But I don't have a ton of money, so it's you can't get blood from a turnip. But there's differences, I think, in the way that men and women see relationships with children. It's not quite as hands-on as it might be with a woman.
Do you think so?
I do, yeah.
Do you not think that having a small amount of children and being in their lives regularly would be more meaningful to them than having loads, but just seeing them maybe once a year?
I don't wake up in the morning and think that I'm some sort of savior. I'm just helping people out here and there. Maybe it's not Mr. Right, but it's Mr. Right now.
Mae siarad gyda Joe wedi codi lot fawr o gwestiynau yn fy mhen, rhai moesol a chyfreithiol. Mae Angela yn arbenigo yn y maes yma.
Beth ydy'r prif wahaniaethau rhwng mynd trwy cynnig swyddogol neu mynd ar y we?
O ran clinig, maen nhw yn mynd i gwneud profion ar tad neu rhoddwyr sperm. Maen nhw'n mynd i wneud profion ar y fam sy'n moyn cael y babi, a maen nhw'n mynd i sicrhau bod pawb yn iach a bod dim problemau genetig neu afiechyd yn mynd i achosi problem i nhw. Hefyd mae clinig yn mynd i wneud yn siŵr bod cytundeb rhwng pawb.
Ie, o'n i'n mynd i gofyn actually ynglyn â cytundeb, mae pobl jyst yn neud falle mewn stafell gwesti, like, would that stand up?
Y gwirionedd dyw na ddim yn rili mynd i fod yn ddilys mewn llys. Mae'n well cael ei wneud yn iawn trwy cyfreithwr neu'n trwy clinic.
Mae'r hawliau cyfreithiol yn llawer llai eglur i blant a rhieni yn dilyn beichiogrwydd trwy roddwr dienw o'r we.
Felly, a fyddai'r roddwr yn dad cyfreithlon i unrhyw plentyn sy'n cael ei eni trwy rhoi sperm ar-lein?
Mae'n dibynnu ar y sefyllfa. Os mae'r fam yn briod neu mewn partneriaeth sifil, nhw bydd y rhieni cyfreithlon. Ond os ddim wedyn y person sydd wedi rhoi'r sperm bydd y tad cyfreithlon. Yn amlwg mae hwnna'n dod â y risg o goffod talu tuag at y plentyn. Mae hefyd risg rhywbryd lawr y llinell bod plentyn yn dod i chwilio amdano nhw fel mae lot o blant eisiau wneud. Maen nhw moyn cael gwybod o lle maen nhw wedi dod. A falle erbyn yr amser hynny mae'r rhoddwr sperm wedi priodi, wedi cael plant ei hun mewn perthynas neu gyda teulu, a mae'r plentyn yn troi lan. Gallen ni fy ymlaen am sbel fawr amdano'r risgs. Felly cyngor bydden ni'n rhoi rhywun yw i fynd trwy clinic.